Namaste, dear friends. I'm going to talk about our HYL Learning Portal Journey to Self-Love. I'm so excited about talking about this, and I've just completed one with 22 participants. I actually bought this portal over a year back and sat on it because I was not too familiar with technology. And with the present condition, that's all that we're doing. Everything's happening virtually, and I realized that if I need to reach out to everyone, it is important for me to embrace technology, and that's exactly what I did. And you know something? This Heal Your Life online 5-week learning portal has created miracles in my life and in the lives of the 22 participants who have just completed it. It's an absolutely extraordinarily created portal, and I extend my gratitude to Rick, Patricia, Sneh and Shashank for having really put in so much effort and made this so simple for all of us. Now what happens? What is this portal? So let me talk about it. What is this portal? Well, this is a 5-week online course, and it is designed to give an incredible experience of deepening our inner journey. Featuring world-class content, this portal will offer you carefully crafted reflection exercises, videos, meditations, visualizations, affirmations designed to create tremendous insights and create shifts. And that's exactly what has happened with all of us, including the participants. This interactive experience allows you to uncover and release, allowing you to welcome more good into every level of life. So let's look at, do you notice a stream of negative dialogue in your head, especially when you're stressed? Just consider. Do you get limited by your past experiences or your failures? I do sometimes, even though I've been on this journey of transformation forever and ever. Do you tend to depend on other people's approval? Well, many of us do, and it's okay. Do you tend to focus on your weaknesses rather than your strengths? Do you feel like a victim of your circumstances? And do you really, really love yourself? Well, this is what this entire journey to self-love is all about. It is designed to create powerful insights and shifts in the following areas. So I'll just tell you what those areas are. So we have 5 lessons, and each lesson has 5 topics beneath it. So every week we will have an online Zoom call for 1.5 hours, and I will guide you through that week's entire portal and the subtopics, how to go about it, and every day you receive a message or an affirmation so that you're guided to actually do the topic for that day. Now, what are the topics? The first topic that we deal with is raising self-worth and deservability. Now, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. Raising, most of us are dealing with, I'm not good enough. And now, every moment I say, I'm enough, I'm worthy, and I deserve. The second topic is love and relationships. We have a relationship with everything. but more than anything else, it's the relationship that we have with ourselves. So here very beautifully we have videos and meditations by Louise, by Patricia, by Rick, and there's beautiful music that's embedded. You can listen to that. There'll be questions that you can answer yourself at your own time, at your own leisure, which is really, really lovely. Then the other topic is prosperity. And of course, all of us at this point of time are thinking about prosperity. And then there are 5 subtopics on prosperity, and then it's about loving your body. Again, there are 5 subtopics on loving your body. And this one is really, really beautiful. And you really begin to look at how our thoughts create our reality, how when we change our thinking, when we change in the inside, the outside alters. And I myself have been through so much of dis-ease in my life that I would vouch for the changes that can occur when we change our thinking patterns, our habitual thinking patterns, and we can change our habitual thinking patterns. And the last one is honoring boundaries. Again, very profound. I noticed that many of my dis-eases came on because I never knew how to say no. And in this portal, when we do honoring boundaries, and also when we look at loving our body, and we look at love and relationships, raising our self-worth and deservability, we will understand how we create our own reality with our thinking patterns, as I have said before. It's simple. It looks placid, but as we dive with it, there's a treasure that lies there, and it is for us to actually dive deep down, lift that treasure for ourselves. This portal is a great gift, and I invite each and every one of you to accept this gift. Really, really accept this gift. It's also, for me, celebrating Louise's legacy that she has left behind for us, the wonderful tools that she has given us, and above all, how to love ourselves. It's really, really so, so amazing. This is what the portal is all about, and there will be 6 Zoom calls over a period of 5 weeks. And yes, you have access to me and to the other participants, and we are here to support one another. And as I said, I love to travel, but during these times it's not easy to travel the way we really call travel, but here together, virtually, we will embark upon this journey together. We will travel, we will go places, and we will discover the most beautiful spaces that have been hidden from us. Enjoy this journey. We shall together walk hand in hand and treasure the friendship that we create with ourselves and with everybody and everything around us. I love you all. Thank you for listening to me. And I thought this would be the best way actually to put the portal forward. Thank you so much. This is just a candid video that I have shot, and I love you once again. Namaste. Deep from the center of my heart.